Hey there, travelers, especially my seniors who are tired of the airport security lines, the cramped aircraft seats, and the hassle of air travel. What if I told you there's a way to see the country, or even just get from point A to point B with complete freedom, comfort, safety, and your own space? Today, we're going to dive into another alternative to air travel, and I'm going to show you why more and more people are choosing motorhomes over plane tickets. Let's be honest, air travel has become exhausting. You arrive 2 hours early, you deal with airport security, you hope that your luggage makes it after you get to your destination, and then you're squeezed into a tiny seat for hours. And I could go on, and that's if everything goes smoothly. Delays, cancellation, lost bags, it's stressful at any age, but especially if you have mobility concerns or just want a more relaxed space. And let's talk about what happens after you land. You're disoriented, especially if you are on a long flight, jet lagged from the flight, and now you need to navigate an unfamiliar airport in another country. You have to wait for your luggage. Well, that is if it arrives at all. And then you have to figure out ground transportation. By the time you reach your actual destination, you need a vacation from your vacation. Plus, there is the health aspect. Sitting in recycled air on the airplane for hours, the stress on your body from pressure changes, the dehydration, the difficulty of moving around. For many of us, especially as we get older, flying just takes too much out of us. There's got to be a better way, right? Well, I have the perfect solution for you today, and that's RV living, or at least RV traveling. Whether you're considering RV life full time or just want a comfortable way to visit family across the country, recreational vehicles offer something airlines simply cannot: freedom and control. Let me give you a quick camper tour of what's out there. You've got everything from small campers and compact camper vans, perfect if you're traveling solo or as a couple, all the way up to luxury RVs that rival five-star hotels. I'm talking full kitchens, walk-in showers, king-size beds, and even fireplaces. Now, when I say small camper, I'm not talking about roughing it. No, I'm talking about modern camper vans that are engineering marvels. They pack incredible efficient layouts into compact spaces. You'll find Murphy beds, convertible dinettes, wet baths, and kitchenettes with everything that you need. These are perfect for couples who want the RV experience without piloting a bus down the highway. On the other end of the spectrum, luxury RVs are absolutely mind blowing. Some of these luxury travel options on wheels have heated floors, marble countertops, residential sized refrigerators, washers and dryers, and entertainment systems that will blow your mind. We're talking about motorhomes that cost as much as houses. And honestly, they are nicer than many houses that I've seen. But here's the beautiful thing: you don't need to go all out. Even a modest motorhome gives you amenities that beat any airplane. Your own bathroom available whenever you need it, a real bed where you can actually stretch out, a refrigerator stocked with your favorite snacks, and meals prepared just the way that you like them. You can take your medications on schedule, maintain your regular eating habits, and sleep in your own comfortable bed every single night. So why choose an RV over flying? Well, let me go down the list for you. Comfort and convenience. This is huge. Stop when you want, where you want. You need a restroom break? Pull over. Want to stretch your legs at a scenic overlook? Go for it. Feeling tired? Find a rest stop and take a nap in your own bed. No flight attendants telling you to sit down during turbulence. No waiting in line for a cramped airplane bathroom. No hoping that the person in front of you does not recline their seat into your lap. It's cost effective for groups. Traveling with your family, the cost to get an RV add up fast with compared to airfare. One RV can accommodate several people. Many sleep 6 to 8 comfortably. And you're saving on hotels and restaurants as well. When you factor in the baggage fees, the airport parking, the rental cars, and hotel rooms, that RV rental or purchase starts looking pretty economical. Plus, you can cook your own meals, which saves a fortune, and it lets you maintain any dietary restrictions or preferences that you have. Then it has the health and safety benefit. You control your environment completely. If you have allergies, you know exactly what cleaning products are used in that space. If you're concerned about germs, your RV is your private bubble. You can maintain social distance when you want to, but still travel and explore the country. For those with health conditions, you can keep all your medical equipment and medication right there with you, organized the way you want it, exactly how you need it. So, you see the journey, not just the destination. This is the big one. When you fly, you miss everything in between. In an RV, the journey is part of the adventure. National parks, quick, quirky roadside attractions, small towns that you've never discovered otherwise. It's all yours to explore. You can take the scenic route. You can stop at that interesting historical marker. You can detour to visit that barbecue place that everybody's raving about. The spontaneity is liberating. Accessibility is another benefit. Many modern motorhomes are designed with accessibility in mind, making them ideal for those with mobility challenges. Everything is on one level, no stairs to navigate. Many luxury RVs feature wheelchair accessible layouts, and even standard models can be modified. You control the pace, no rushing through airports or trying to make tight connections. No, all of that is gone. Another benefit is it's pet friendly. Yeah, we can't forget about your furry friends. Airlines charge hefty fees for pets, and many animals find flying very stressful. In an RV, your pets can come along with you as part of the family. They have their familiar space, their regular feeding schedule, and they get to enjoy the adventure as well. Now, some folks who don't mind taking this even further, RV living full time has become a genuine lifestyle choice. Retirees, remote workers, and adventurers are selling their houses and hitting the road permanently in an RV. Imagine waking up in the mountains one week and by the beach the next week. You want to follow perfect weather year round? You can do that in an RV. Want to be near family for a few months? Then explore somewhere new. Yeah, absolutely possible, all of it. The RV life community is incredibly welcoming as well. You'll find campgrounds filled with like-minded people like yourself, potluck dinners, group activities, and genuine friendships. It's a whole culture built around freedom, simplicity, and exploration. Many full-timers say that they have never felt more connected to people and to nature, even though they're constantly on the move. There's something about the RV lifestyle that attracts kind, interesting, adventurous people like you. Is it for everyone? No. But for those tired of being tied to one place or tired of the stress of traditional travel, it can be life-changing. I've met couples who say going full-time in their motorhome was the best decision that they ever made. They have simplified their lives, reduced their stress level, and seen parts of the country that they'd only dreamed about before. And so if you're thinking, this sounds great, Cheryl, but where do I start? Don't worry. You don't have to buy an RV tomorrow. Start by renting one for maybe a weekend. Many companies specialize in RV rentals, and it's a fantastic way to test the waters before you make that big purchase. You can try different sizes and styles to see what suits you. Try a small camper first if you're nervous about driving something large. Once you get the hang of it, you might want to upgrade. And yes, those luxury RVs I mentioned, many of them are available to rent as well. So you can travel in style without the six-figure commitment, right? Take an RV driving course if you're concerned about handling a larger vehicle. Many RV dealers and clubs offer these courses, and they will boost your confidence tremendously if you try. Most people find that driving an RV is much easier than they expected after they've tried. You can join online RV communities before you even rent your first one to get an idea. The knowledge and support from experienced RVers is invaluable. They will tell you which campgrounds are best, what gear you really need versus what's just nice to have, and how to avoid common beginner mistakes. And here's something that will really help you. I've created a comprehensive resource just for you. It's called the Senior's Guide to Stress-Free Travel Below 35,000 Feet. This ebook covers everything about alternative ways of traveling. You'll find the link in the description below. It's designed specifically to take the guesswork out of the different modes of travel outside of flying, and it will help you to start your adventure with more confidence, I should say. So there you have it. RV travel as a genuine alternative to the airport chaos. Whether you're taking a weekend trip or you're embracing RV living full time, motorhomes offer freedom, comfort, and adventure that planes just cannot match up to. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. And subscribe for more travel tips and alternative ways to travel. And hey, if you've ever traveled by RV or if you're thinking about it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear those stories and what you think. And don't forget to grab the copy of the Senior's Guide to Stress-Free Travel Below 35,000 Feet. Again, the link is right below this video. Until next time, safe travels out there. And remember, sometimes the best journeys happen on the ground, not in the air. Thank you for watching.